Whether you'll get a call from your dream B school or not, I understand it's a very genuine question. And therefore, I've made this video so that I can help you understand that if you are in that percentile wherein you have a feeling that you might get a call or you may not get a call, वो जो बीच की परसेंटाइल्स होती है ना, कुछ 97, 96, 95, 98, और वो भी डिपेंड करता है कि हु आर यू इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर कैटेगरी. तो उन परसेंटाइल्स के लिए ये वीडियो स्पेसिफिकली है दैट व्हाट शुड यू डू इफ यू आर इन दैट धर्म संकट वाला ब्रैकेट दैट यू डोंट नो वेदर यू विल गेट द कॉल्स और नॉट, and what should you do right now, because right now you just have a percentile, you have a scorecard. A lot of calls have already come out, rather I should say a few calls have come out, but now you're thinking what should I do while I'm waiting for this call. This video is for you, and this video is also very very much important. This इस वीडियो की वैलिडिटी अगले 8 हफ्ते तक है, अगले 8 हफ्ते तक है. ये वीडियो सिर्फ मैं स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ही नहीं बना रहा हूँ, आई एम मेकिंग दिस फॉर द पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो. प्लीज शेयर कर देना, बिकॉज करियर चॉइस लेने में ये बहुत मूल मंत्र है. कुछ इसमें एक मूल मंत्र भी दूंगा आपको जो कि हेल्प करेगा, इसलिए ये पूरी वीडियो क्रिएट करी गई है कि अगर अच्छी परसेंटाइल है बट क्या करना है नहीं पता है, जरूरी है. इफ यू डोंट नो मी येट, आई एम दर्पण सक्सेना, एन MBA ग्रेजुएट फ्रॉम IIM उदयपुर. आई हैव बीन द MBA प्रोडक्ट हेड एट करियर लॉन्चर. आई एम द फाउंडर ऑफ क्रिएडम एंड आई हेल्प MBA स्टूडेंट्स क्रिएट फुलफिलिंग करियर्स विदाउट डिपेंडिंग ऑन प्लेसमेंट्स. अब एक बात मैं बता देता हूँ, ये वीडियो लंबी होने वाली है. इफ यू वांट टू वॉच माय शॉर्टर कंटेंट, हेड ऑन टू माय Instagram @creadum.co and you will find all of these advices in very small short snapshots also. But this is important for somebody who's serious to know this, and because also a lot of you book so many paid calls with me in which anyways I speak about these things in 1 hour long, so I might as well take some time and give some things to you for free yaar, because all of this is important for you to take a choice. Now देखो यार, पहली चीज है, बड़ी सीधी सी बात है. You are thinking that okay, I have got this percentile, I broadly know how many or which B schools will give me the admission call. The first question is that, sir, should I be joining the B schools? Should I be joining those lower tier B schools which I would be getting the calls from? ठीक है, अब उसका जवाब देखो मैंने यहाँ पे है. इसमें हमें ना पहले थोड़ा लॉजिक पे जाना होगा, जरूरी है. How are you even evaluating a B school is that? Please calibrate your approach with what I am about to say to you, because these are the 3 levels broadly on which you need to calibrate your choice. अब देखो मैंने levels 3 में split करे हैं. level 1 है जो कि सब कोई सोचता है, level 3 तक सब कोई नहीं सोच पाता है. level 3 तक सोचने के लिए आपको बड़ा prepared होना पड़ता है to be able to think what you want to do after your MBA. level 1 क्या होता है, एक broad level evaluation हो जाती है as per brand, कि that okay, what is the brand which I was aspiring to go for, and unfortunately I'm not able to find that brand. मुझे पता है अब इन परसेंटाइल्स पे मैंने सब वो प्रिडिक्टर सब यूज कर लिए, मुझे समझ आ गई है वो वाले ब्रांड जिन ब्रांड से. एंड ओके, द ब्रांड इज नॉट अ ब्रॉड ब्रांड लाइक एन IIM. Within IIM also, that you know what, I want to be only at IIM ABC, I only want to be at maximum, चलो somebody else would say that okay, I want to be maximum at an IIM ABCL. Somebody else might say that okay, also include an XLR onto that. Somebody would say that you know what, I would want to get into a symbiosis. Somebody would say that you know, I've been always vying for FMS. For anybody, whatever you see as your brand with respect to what you want to do. So first level is brand. Second level I'll tell you, which is a very important level. फिर कुछ लोग यहाँ तक सोच पाते हैं, especially जिनके पास वर्क एक्स होता है. My dear friends, that is salary. Salary में ROI word include हो जाता है, but सबसे simply to understand, अभी अगर मैंने ये लिखा होता सिर्फ ROI तो वो बड़ा complex हो जाता है, बड़ी सीधी सी बात है. And this happens to me so many times on my free group or on my paid calls, wherever that bhai people are coming in with salary packages, pre-MBA salary packages of upwards of 20 lakh. उनको 20 लाख के pre-MBA के salary है उनके पास, because their UG institutes are amazing. Now they are saying to me, and उनकी दुविधा ही अलग है. They are in a different, you know, their first world problems are different, entirely different. Their first world problems are that, sir, we don't have any options. The only places which makes sense for us to go to are IIM ABC. At max, I might even think about an IIML. So for somebody like you, this is extremely important that you take complete cognizance of and you actually evaluate purely basis on the salary. तो मान लिया तो फिर तो मैं actually third level तक जाने की भी कोई जरूरत नहीं है. तो मान लिया तो B schools eliminate ही हो जाते हैं वहाँ पे. थर्ड लेवल मगर फिर भी important है और ये बहुत clear कर देता है बहुत चीजें. Job role and domain of what you aspire to do. My dear friends, ये 3 level समझाने का जो मेरा उद्देश्य था, ऑब्जेक्टिव था, वो बड़ा सिंपल सा था. That hey, are you somebody who's just fascinated by an IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore, IIM Calcutta, and you are unnecessarily only एमिंग फॉर ABC, वेयर एज तुम्हारी रियलिटीज के अनुसार तुम्हारा प्रोग्रेस तो एक IIM उदयपुर, IIM काशीपुर, XLRI, NMIMS, SIBM में भी जाके हो जाएगा. Please, you need to know that okay, where you are, where you aspire to be, and these 3 points, you see, you can screenshot this. I will also give you this entire mind map for free. Link दे दूंगा मैं तुम्हें. The point is, my dear friends, see, understand like this. Ab, like for example, if you are a fresher, you know for a fact that okay, that level 2 for you, it becomes a very simple thing that okay, I don't have a salary as of right now. And then when I'll go further deep into this video and when I will explain to that okay, अगर first attempt करा है तो अब क्या होना चाहिए, second attempt है दोबारा attempt करना चाहिए, यानी वो सब पे जब मैं आऊंगा अभी, then you'll understand that okay, why this is so important. Because then for all you know, for you it could be that yes, if you're getting an opportunity to get to an MDI Gurgaon, you should run with it. You should not फालतू में have your hopes on IIM ABC LKI. No, why do you need it? तुम्हारा लाइफ का प्रोग्रेस उतना ही जितना किसी का जिसकी 20 लाख की ऑलरेडी प्री एमबीए की, या 20 लाख या 16 लाख या 18 लाख की सैलरी प्री एमबीए है, उसका जितना IIM ए में जाके नहीं होगा उद्धार, उतना तो तुम्हारा शायद 0 से MDI गुड़गांव जाने में हो जाएगा. सो सी अगेन, दीज आर द थिंग्स व्हिच आई डू इन माय पेड इंटरैक्शंस. व्हाई आई एम रिपीटिंग दैट अगेन एंड अगेन इज बिकॉज नॉट टू टेल यू कि पेड इंटरैक्शंस करो, बताने के लिए व्हाट आई एम शेयरिंग विद यू इज प्रीमियम कंटेंट which people are paying for already, in the sense that these are very golden advices. इसको सुनिए, इसको बांटिए, जरूरी है. That is extremely important. Also this video is going to be long. Moving on to the next bit. Now, one thing does not change. I will come to this is a very crucial part of this video. What to do now? What to do? Should I reattempt CAT? Should I go for the B schools which I already have? What should I do? Should I adjust to a lower tier B school and kill my aspiration, or should I run with my aspiration and take another attempt? वो सब यहाँ पे आएगा point number 3 में. But one thing does not change. One thing does not change, and that, my dear friends, is one mool mantra which I am giving to you, is that whatever calls you will get in this year, I know you will get certain calls. You have to convert all calls. Please do not leave your GDPI prep, which simply brings me to the point that please invest in GDPI prep. It is important. Please take these interviews very seriously, because even if right now, as of 12th of January, you are very sure that okay, I will be reattempting CAT, even then, my dear friends, you need to be converting these calls and then rejecting these calls, so that next year you have confidence and you have exposure. समझ आई? Broadly ये कहानी है. ये please don't give me that story. Please don't come to me and please don't give me that story that sir, oh, you know what? Anyways, I don't need to go to these B schools. Why should I even be appearing for these interviews? No. Every year there are students who prepare with me for their MBA admission interviews. I have a full program, MBA Interview Cracker. Check out that program. It's a premium program. I give personalized mentoring, one-to-one mentoring, and I help you craft your answers so that you can reflect your personality better. क्योंकि you can present yourself so much more effective. तो किसी को भी अगर ये लग रहा है मेरी पर्सनैलिटी वीक है, प्रोफाइल वीक है, वो कोर्स ले लो. आंसर तुम्हारा द वे यू स्पीक, योर अंदाज़े बयां, वो स्ट्रक्चर करा दूंगा मैं, वो जरूरी है. बट द पॉइंट विच आई वाज ट्राइंग टू मेक इज दिस, दैट every year students who are enrolled with me, what they do is that they have calls from ABC, they also have a call from I, and उसको भी है आइडिया, मुझको भी आइडिया कि ABC में कहीं पे तो फिट हो जाएगा. फिर भी मैंने कभी किसी को नहीं बोला कि नहीं यार IIM शिलोंग का इंटरव्यू भी है ना तेरा, वो छोड़ दियो, या फिर IIM इंदौर का नहीं. इवन समटाइम्स दे हैव सेड टू मी दैट व्हाट, क्या करना है सर, IIM शिलोंग का क्यों देना है, IIM काशीपुर का क्यों देना है. मैं कहता नहीं, सारे देने यार. If you're paying me for a course and you're taking the mock interviews with me, why will you not take an actual interview and do it, convert it? So walk into your IIM A's of the world and IIM B's of the world with this thing that okay, I had 9 calls and I had completely converted all calls. That is the confidence you should be walking in with. Are you getting the point or not? That is the point, my dear friends. Coming back to this very quickly. So invest in GDPI course. If you don't want to go expensive, start with my course. मैं ही करा दूंगा, मैं ही at least तुम्हें initially see. I am a PI expert. I am a story crafting expert. I am an expert and probably I am the best at it. I will not even mince my words. I'm the best at crafting your stories, to bring out your stories. You check with my students the kind of exercises I make them do. There's one exercise which students love, your life story exercise. Do that at least with me. Start with that at least. वो कर लो, so you can take my course also and start with it. But again, please take each call as an important call. Now coming back to this, what to do now? This I will spend some समय over here, and you will realize that this, my dear friends, अब मुझे 2 मिनट समझाने दो. Why? what you need to do or what you should do is entirely hinged upon which attempt of CAT or ZAT this was. Why? Now students don't understand this. Okay, most students do understand this, and when I will be speaking about it, because bhaiya dekho, time is your most valuable resource. Most students, they come to me and say to me that, sir, should I repeat? And then the next statement is, but this was my attempt number 2, or this was my attempt number 3. What should I do? So therefore, I know it is very much hinged upon which attempt of yours is this. Ye baat sahi hai. So now with that, let me say to you that, okay, if this was your first attempt at CAT, one thing I've told you very clearly, you are converting all calls whether you like your calls or not. Please don't come to me and say to me that, sir, you know what, I want to talk to you, and then you talk to me and you tell me I did not appear for the interview. No, yaar. Even for the smallest of the institutes which you don't like, as per you, the smallest of the institutes, please, whether also whether you have a job or not, you could be a fresher who was appearing for it in the first attempt. It makes no sense to drop your aspiration of CAT in this attempt. Why? बिकॉज अगर तुम्हें कॉल आ रहे हैं तो समझो तुम्हारी परसेंटाइल ठीक है. अगेन दैट इज वाई यूर वॉचिंग दिस, बिकॉज द शीर्षक ऑफ दिस इज दैट यू हैव अ गुड स्कोर ऑलरेडी. परसेंटाइल गुड है बट काफी नहीं है, तो तुम्हारे बेसिक्स अच्छे हैं. फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में अगर अच्छी खासी परसेंटाइल है, अच्छी है, प्लीज टेक अप अ जॉब एंड रिपीट फॉर कैट. इट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. डोंट जज योरसेल्फ बेसिस वन अटेम्प्ट. कैट इज नॉट सच एन, कैट और ज़ैट आर नॉट सच एग्जाम्स के अरे एक अटेम्प्ट में मेरे नंबर कम आए तो मैं वाकई नहीं आता है मुझे. यार एक बात बताओ मुझे, अभी ज़ैट के साथ ये हुआ था. ज़ैट में एवरी इंस्टीट्यूट वॉज ट्राइंग टू क्राफ्ट देयर आंसर कीज, ठीक है, और किसी में कुछ स्कोर आ रहा है और किसी में कुछ और स्कोर आ रहा है. जो ये सो कॉल्ड तो नहीं, जो कि ये 100% हैं, अच्छे लोग हैं, उनके जब भी नहीं मैच हो पा रहे आंसर, तो यार तो वो तो फिर स्टैंडर्डाइज एग्जाम है ही नहीं ना. दैट्स नॉट अ स्टैंडर्डाइज एग्जाम. सो डोंट जज योरसेल्फ. द पॉइंट व्हिच आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक इज दैट प्लीज reattempt. This is just the beginning. You are getting warmed up. Build your profile in that 1 year. Get a job, get a good job. Whatever job you get it. Get work experience, get the score, because work experience का भी तो यार स्कोर होता है. तो किसने बोला कि फ्रेशर करके एमबीए होता है? इनफैक्ट उल्टा है. एमबीए अगर आप जॉब करने के बाद जा रहे हैं, आपके तो स्कोर्स दे रहे हैं आपको, सो दे वांट समबडी विद दैट. तो यहाँ पे तो इट्स अ ओपन एंड शट केस. अब वो फैक्टर्स बहुत ही हैं अलग किया सर, बट माई एज इज दिस. अरे फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट है तो एज भी आई एम अज्यूमिंग बहुत नहीं होगी. अब मैं आता हूं अटेम्प्ट नंबर 2. अब यहाँ पे एक चीज है विच यू नीड टू आस्क योरसेल्फ, और इफ यू आर समबडी फ्रॉम द फैमिली ऑफ द स्टूडेंट, देन यू नीड टू सी दिस, दैट डू यू हैव अ जॉब और नॉट. इफ यू हैव अ जॉब, then it's a very simple thing. Most likely second attempt है, तुम्हारा 2 साल से कम का ही एक्सपीरियंस होगा. It would be somewhere around 12 months to 18 months, not more than that. 18 भी शायद ही होगा, 12-14 months के अराउंड का तुम्हारा होगा, ठीक है. अगर जॉब है इतना ही होगा तुम्हारा. Now one thing which I would say to you is that please check how much is your salary. This needs to go to that level. If your salary is sub 1 lakh से कम है, 1 lakh in hand per month से कम है, मतलब लगभग तुम्हारी 14 लाख CTC फिक्स्ड से कम है, आई वुड स्ट्रांगली सजेस्ट प्लीज रीअपियर एंड यू शुड एम फॉर वट एवर बी स्कूल इज गिविंग यू दैट काइंड ऑफ अ लिफ्ट. एज सिंपल एज दैट. अब इसमें यू नो कि यार तुम्हारी सैलरी अगर मान लो इफ योर सैलरी इज 25,000, यू नो एन इंस्टीट्यूट विच गिव्स यू 60-80,000 इज अ गुड इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर यू टू गो टू. इफ यू आर somebody who's already earning a 70,000, then you know कि यार you need to go to an institute which will give you at least 1.2-1.5 lakh to start with. अगर मूल मंत्र सैलरी की ही हो रही है, बाद में क्यों नहीं इंपॉर्टेंट है यार. why would you want to restart at the same salary? No, you would not want to. I understand that there are certain circumstances in which you would still want to, but let's not speak about those. And again, now if your salary is between 1 to 1.5 lakh, then probably you need to again think that okay, what is it that I'm trying to explore from my MBA कि मेरा second attempt हो गया है, परसेंटाइल sufficient नहीं है, मगर सैलरी मेरी ठीक है, मेरी एज के हिसाब से सैलरी ठीक है, वर्क एक्सपीरियंस के हिसाब से सैलरी तो मेरी है अच्छी, मतलब मेरी यूजी कहीं ना कहीं अच्छी है, स्ट्रांग है, या फिर मेरे स्किल्स अच्छे हैं, क्या मुझे कंटिन्यू करना है या फिर शुड आई रीअटेम्प्ट. अब वही बात है, दिस इज अ वेरी केस टू केस बेसिस सॉर्ट ऑफ अ थिंग. Probably if you would want to speak to me on this, you should book a call with me or you should join my free group and we can speak over there. I respond to my students in voice notes. I've created that group for one simple thing, that whoever cannot take my paid calls can give me their query there, and soon enough I give a response in my voice notes. That's it. And other friends can also help you. Broadly उसका काम ये है, ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे आते हैं, और दूसरी चीज है बैलेंस प्रिपरेशन विद वर्क रिकॉर्ड. वर्क यू हैव टू वर्क, बट इसमें यू नो इट इज वेरी सिंपल एंड स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. नाउ इफ यू डोंट हैव अ जॉब एंड दिस वाज योर सेकंड अटेम्प्ट, देन द वेरी फर्स्ट एडवाइस, वो तो छोड़ देते हैं अभी कि कैट करना है कि नहीं करना है, पहली एडवाइस है प्लीज गो एंड टेक अप अ जॉब. दैट इज एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट. प्लीज बिगिन योर लाइफ. यू हैव नॉट स्टार्टेड योर लाइफ as of right now. It might feel very sharp and very harsh and all of those things. नहीं, नौकरी करे बिना, पैसा कमाए बिना तुम्हारी जिंदगी शुरू नहीं हुई है. If a family is seeing this, they would be very happy that you watch me, because I am giving you, I am speaking the same way a family one would speak. कि तुम्हारी जिंदगी शुरू करिए, आप नौकरी करिए, पैसे कमाइए, वो जिंदगी शुरू होती है. नहीं है. अब कुछ लोगों का ये आता है कि सर फुल टाइम आई शुड स्टडी, बिकॉज अगर अभी ठीक नंबर नहीं है तो जॉब के साथ कैसे. ऐसा नहीं होता है. हर साल majority students वर्कएक्स के साथ करते हैं क्रैक. दे क्रैक इट. yes, it's a hard year, hectic year, but they love it. That is the grind. When you will look back, you will remember that year कि कितनी मेहनत करी थी, फोड़ के रख दिया था. That is the kind of things which you need to have. It is as simple as that. Now, if suppose you are in your third attempt, then here is what I would say to you, and this is extremely important. CAT as an exam, CAT or XAT as an exam is not an exam of your knowledge, which means what? It's an aptitude exam. If it has taken you third attempt and it has still not reached where you were wanting it to be, then you need to reassess your relationship with CAT. Ask yourself whether CAT is something which I am obsessed for, or is there something else which I can do, because obviously CAT is not the end all and be all. यार हर साल 2.5 लाख बच्चे देते हैं CAT, ठीक है, 2.5 लाख, और the youth is in crores, huge numbers. Only 2.5 people write CAT. उसमें से गिनती के 50,000 लोग नहीं ठीक ठाक इंस्टीट्यूट्स में जाते हैं. तो आप मुझे अगर ये कह रहे हैं कि वो 50-20 हज़ार से ज़्यादा लोगों के उनके अलावा किसी का कुछ करियर बन नहीं रहा है, तो भाई आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स ट्रू. दैट्स नॉट ट्रू. People are doing great things. You can probably think about XAT, NMAT. See, but this is the same range. Probably GMAT. GMAT is something which you could and you should be evaluating, because by the attempt number 3 you also have some experience. So probably it could be that you could check for MBA outside, abroad, or it could be specialized or executive MBA, or maybe if you have a job, think about it, that how can I make more from this? How can I do more from this? Maybe skill building, maybe something else. And you know what? I have a lot of ideas over here that what you could do if you're not planning to do CAT. People think that I only talk about CAT and all. No, if you go to my YouTube and if you watch my earlier listening content, I in fact used to earlier make content on how do you get a good life without depending on placement. So I do all of those things. So I am obviously a proponent of ki placements are not going to help you completely. You have to build yourself. So we can talk about that also. My dear friends, coming back to this, I'll give you a closing insight and then I'll close this video. It is as simple as that. Don't let see all of this. This video has been emphasizing on your percentile score. इतना percentile है attempt है भाई. Don't obsess over one exam कि उसका first attempt हो गया, second attempt. अब now even I am telling you that second attempt है तो ये third attempt. Don't obsess over this exam so much. Yes, it is a life-changing exam, but that exam is not changing your life. Your relationship with that exam and how well you do in it is changing your life. वो नहीं है, नहीं हो रहा, कोई बात नहीं, कुछ और चीज लिखी हुई है. I believe in philosophy and all of these things a lot. Obviously, convert your existing opportunities. कुछ तो कर ही रहे होगे लाइफ में, उससे कुछ करोगे. बात करते हैं, नहीं पता है. See, again, I want to know how you feel. Please, in the comments of this video, let me know how you're feeling and what did you feel when you were watching this video. I want to know your opinion. I want to know your opinion on what I've been speaking about. Chalo, evaluate me, I would say, because that is when you will be able to find your answers. If you think that, sir, ये आपने जो बोला बकवास है, सर ये होना, that you know what, it should be like this, I should be doing this. चलो, at least मुझको abuse करके अगर आपका कुछ you are able to find some clarity कर ले. But let me know in the comments or speak to me. If you want to book a call with me, talk to me. If you want to start your GDPI prep, please start. I'm taking the mock interviews every day, every night till 2 a.m. I'm doing these things. So please do that. Now, again, coming back to this, that's that. And please remember, the goal isn't the college name. The goal is a career. दिस लास्ट पॉइंट इज एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट. करियर है ये हम भूल जाते हैं. हम कॉलेज की आइडेंटिटी के साथ अपने आप को विदाउट इवन गोइंग देयर अपने ड्रीम्स में उस कॉलेज की आइडेंटिटी के साथ इतना एसोसिएट कर लेते हैं कि कई दफ़ा हम सोचते हैं कि यार वहीं जाके ही कुछ काम होगा, हो सकता है इससे कम में भी काम हो जाए, और कम कुछ नहीं है, मतलब किसी और भी स्कूल में भी काम हो जाए, ज़रूरी नहीं है. So don't do that. If you want to evaluate with me, let's talk about it. Let me know in the comments what you need more from me. I'll help you. I want to help you more. Thanks a lot and goodbye.